There's nothing like the roar of a V8. But have you ever wondered why it sounds so powerful? Today we're going inside a V8 engine to find out what makes it one of the most loved engines in the world. A V8 engine gets its name from the 8 cylinders arranged in a V shape. It's known for its balance of power, smoothness, and that unmistakable growl. Each cylinder fires in a specific sequence. In a V8, the firing order overlaps perfectly, meaning there's always power being delivered. That's what makes it smooth and powerful. The crankshaft design, firing intervals, and exhaust system all work together to produce that deep rumble. The V8 isn't just about power, it's about feeling. It's the heartbeat of classic cars, muscle cars, and supercars alike. From Mustangs to Ferraris, the V8 symbolizes performance, passion, and precision engineering. So now you know the reason a V8 sounds so good lies deep within its design. If you enjoyed going under the hood, hit that like button and subscribe for more engine insight.